In this video, we'll show you how you can customize your Garmin Forerunner 55. Here we're going to customize the activity list. This is the list of activities that you can choose when you press the start button. You'll have some favorites, but then you can also get down to some other activities. But we'll show you how to do this. Basically, we're going to press and hold the up button, and we're going to use the down to get us past the gear icon, which will bring us to our settings. And we're going to get to activities and apps. Press start. From here we have our activities. So I have a run and a walk. Let's say that I want to do some biking. I want to add it up to my favorites. I can press on start and I can actually get into the bike settings if I want to, set as a favorite or reorder. So in this case I want to set as a favorite, and bike is in the third of my list. I can reorder the bike activity based on my favorite, but here I like it like here. I can do that. And another activity that I like to do is treadmill. Again, I can click on that and I can reorder it. So not in my favorites, but I can reorder it, these activities, if I tend to do it not as often. I can order like that. Save the changes. Yes. So now you can see how the list is. And let's say that you want to go into your run setting and customize a few things. Then we get into data screens, alerts, laps, auto pause, your self-evaluation, your GPS settings, and your defaults. We'll cover that in another video, but basically we can do this. And if you don't want to do the walk activity, you can go in and remove it from your favorites. And now it's down at the bottom of the list. And from here, you can just do it like that. So now, when we back out, next time we press start, we can have our updated list. And if we were wanting to do a seldom activity like treadmill, it's right there, so we don't have to scroll down the whole list. And there you go. That is how you quickly customize your activity list on your Garmin Forerunner 55.